No, I think this one is you have to move forward.
Forward.
No!
I don't climb. Hi guys! Welcome back sa aming YouTube channel. So ngayon, ito-try ko i-prank si Mister. Gagawin ko yung exercise ba? Exercise. Amoy kepay. Wala si Mister ngayon na malengke. Dapat ako mamamalengke. Talagang gusto niyang mamalengke, gusto niyang lumabas. Siguro nabuboryo na siya dito sa bahay. So, hinayaan ko na lang siya. So, siya yung lumabas. At ako naman ay gagawa ng, magpe-prepare ng ipaprank sa kanya mamayang gabi. Ayan, meron na ako ditong shorts. May handa na akong short para suotin mamayang gabi. Ayan. And, maglalagay tayo ng fish sauce. Okay? So, ito yung fish sauce niya, guys. Ayan. Dito. So, ito yung fish sauce niya, guys. Dito. Parang, mas maamoy siya. Mas maamoy siya sa patis ba sa atin. So, ilalagay ko siya dito. Oh my God. Makalat siya. Ang baho. Can't imagine. Yes! Siya na pa naman maarte yun, guys. Ang arte niya sa amoy. Malakas pang amoy nun eh. Amoy na siya, guys, kahit ano. Kaya, tuliin natin. Amoy na amoy! Malayo pa lang amoy na siya. Wala ba ito? Hit that, I throw that. Okay, the paper on the floor. Yeah? This one. This. Throw. Ang baho! Kami si Chen! Si Chen, ewan to. Can you smell? Smell what?
Like pee.
Pee? See you, come here. Come here, see you. Come here, can you smell this? Smell what?
Smell like pee.
Pee? Are you sure?
Looks like smell like lemon.
Lemon.
Lemon tea.
Lemon tea. Lemon tea ah. Parang dami atang nailagay ko. Basang-basa siya.
Mama, is inside? Mama, is it inside got yeah, lemon poo. Lemon tea and lemon poo. Then, about
Baho, guys. Yes, lalabuhay. Nagre-reklamo yung anak ko sa amoy. Oh my God, ayan na siya, guys. Medyo basa pa yung sa puwet kasi naparami yung lagay ko. Baho. Ayan, medyo naputol yung pag-video ko kanina kasi nagkaroon kami ng medyo konti lang naman na problema. Konting problema lang. So, medyo naputol yung pag-video ko kanina. So, anyway, ayan, guys. Ang pogi ng aking baby. Look at my baby.
Our
See
baby
her?
boy.
See her? Where are you going? Oh, look at... Look at you. You're so cute. Say hi. Say hi. Ay, okay. Oh, diba? Ayo! Don't step on this, okay? So, ate, what's your sister? Ayan. So, nag-ayos kami, guys, kasi nga, tinan yung aming aquarium. So,
Hello.
sobrang nang dumi. Ayan. Nagpapalit kami ng tubig. Nagpapalit kami ng tubig every, like, twice a week or once a week. Ang bilis. Dalawa lang naman yung isda namin. Arwana, tapos yung, ano ba yun? Yung sabing naglilinis ng ano matawag doon. So, ayan, ang bilis niya mag-green yung tubig. Sabi nila, siguro baka dahil sa, sa light ba, yung liwanag, yung ilaw, kasi sabi nila parang hindi kailangan ng palaging may ilaw. Laging binubuksan ng asawa ko yan. Lalo na pag bagong linis, lagi ko kasing nililinis yan. So, pag bagong linis, lagi niya talagang tapos ilang oras naka-on yung ilaw niya. So, siguro kaya ganyan. Okay? Hannah, are you ready?
Hey, look.
Ate, pahiga ang pagkuan.
Here,
Can I have a kilo?
Ken! Kaya, you have to hold my knee.
Oh, yeah.
Right? You can push the sofa there. Can not. My knee, ma.
Yeah, your knee can yeah.
Yes. Yes.
It's too high.
Yeah. Number B.
You need to try. This is...
Where's A? Guess what?
Are you ready?
Which one?
That's so funny.
No, me means I move down a bit.
Yeah, move down a bit. Okay. Oh, you're not
B.
Tana, are you ready?
Okay. C. A, B, C.
Hey,
C.
you move down a bit. I'm not okay. Are you ready?
Your knee ah.
No, parang yun.
Here. Pop.
Ate, are you ready?
Okay. 1, 2. Apa? Okay. Aya. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. You.
You smell, Han?
Huh?
Did you smell? I
Hey.
smell what?
Aya.
I smell.
What? One more, Han. Sure, ah? One more time.
Let's smell the map. Come on, into the trap. Into the trap.
No.
Can I go by
I think this one is you have to move forward. No. No. Go. This time. here, I cannot move. Like this.
Two
Super like
potatoes,
this.
three potatoes, five potatoes, six potatoes, seven potatoes,
Turn, turn,
one
turn.
potato, two potatoes,
One more?
three potatoes, more, five potatoes, six
Don't push me, why
potatoes,
push
seven
me?
potatoes, more.
Oh my god.
Okay, wait, wait, wait.
No, done.
Okay. Okay, wait, wait, wait. Wait.
Yeah.
Like this.
Okay, come on.
One, two. Again.
Gusto niya yung amoy. Grabe, that smell. No smell.
No.
Ay, ayos. Nagsinap, ayoko na.
And then this where?
Guys, ayoko na.
Hello.
Let's wrap.
Ano, amoy.
Let's wrap.
Oh my God.
Let's wrap.
Wait.
I want to change now. Ay, that's enough. Yeah, so smelly. Ay, you know what is this?
Okay, you're
Fish sauce. I put fish sauce eh. I
Oh,
put
a
fish sauce this afternoon.
Leo.
Oh my God.
Wait, this was the wrong side.
You want to shower now? I want to shower.
Here. Okay, like that. I'll
You
be
go there.
first, and you'll be
So guys, just the end of our video. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aming palabas ngayong gabi, ngayong araw, and what. So please subscribe sa aming YouTube channel sa hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe, and keep all na rin para updated kayo sa mga bago namin videos, and hope to see you again sa susunod namin video. Say bye!
Bye.
Bye! See you!
Sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.